Alright, you're gonna be okay.
Oh, shit. What happened to the cars? What happened?
Don't worry about that, dude.
Scary, fool.
Yeah. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah. You caught the owner already?
So, where's the gas?
Outside.
Okay, the gas is off right now.
¿A qué salió de aquí? Abrí la ventana, güey.
No, no open the window.
¿Ah?
Don't open it. Stay in.
There's my house. There's my house. Gone. Nothing left. Oh my God.
All of PCH is on fire right now. There is fierce wind, down power lines, power poles toppled over. Things are exploding. Gas lines are on fire. Flames are coming back over PCH, are being blown by fierce winds. It is like driving through hell itself down here. Literally through hell. This is madness down here. These homes are on fire and you can feel the heat from the flames even from inside your car. It is insane down here.
Apocalypse in California. Bro, real life apocalypse in California. Everything is burning to the ground. You guys, it's like a zombie land. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Everything's burning to the ground, you guys. People left their cars. They left everything behind. Newscaster out. Man. If this ain't crazy, then what's crazy, you guys? Is the world coming to an end? Oh my God, look at the grocery store. Look at this shit, you guys. What the fuck? Oh my God. elementary school.